What if I told you that the richest people in the world aren't always the ones with the biggest bank accounts, but the ones who've changed lives, inspired change, and left the world better than they found it? You've been taught to chase money, to run after salaries, promotions, side hustles, and six-figure dreams. But deep down, do you ever feel like something's still missing? Maybe that's because you weren't born to just make a living. You were born to make a difference. 1. The misconception of success. Let's face it, from the time we're children, we're sold a very specific definition of success. Big house, fancy car, luxury vacations, a bank account that makes other people jealous. Society has wired us to believe that our worth is measured by our wealth, and the pressure is real. Everywhere you turn, people are flashing their success on social media, posing next to Lamborghinis, showing off their latest Rolex, or boasting about quitting their 9-to-5s for financial freedom. But what we rarely talk about is what happens behind the scenes when the camera's off and the noise fades. There are countless stories of millionaires who feel empty, burnt out, unfulfilled. They climbed the ladder only to realize it was leaning against the wrong wall. Take, for example, the entrepreneur who built a $1 million business only to confess in interviews that they were lonelier than ever. Or the athlete who reached the top of their game and still struggled with depression. Why does that happen? Because money, while important, was never meant to be the destination. It's just a tool. And when we confuse the tool for the goal, we end up chasing shadows. The real question isn't how much money can you make, it's what kind of impact can you create. 2. The power of impact. So let's shift the lens. What does it really mean to make an impact? Impact is the ripple you leave behind, on people, on your community, on the world. It's helping someone rise when they've fallen. It's solving a problem that others ignore. It's using your talents not just for profit, but for purpose. And here's the beautiful truth. Impact comes in many forms. Teachers who inspire generations. Doctors who heal not just bodies, but hearts. Artists who stir emotions and spark thought. Volunteers who ask for nothing, but give everything. Let's look at real examples. Take Malala Yousafzai, who turned her own suffering into a global movement for girls' education. Or Elon Musk, controversial yet undeniably driven by solving large-scale problems like sustainable energy and space exploration. Or even smaller, quieter heroes, like the nurse who works overnight shifts in an underfunded clinic, or the neighbor who starts a local food bank from their garage. They may not all have millions, but they're rich in meaning. And that richness, that's the fuel that keeps them going when times get hard. Because when your life is about more than just you, when it's about service, growth, and legacy, you tap into something far more powerful than wealth. You tap into purpose. 3. The legacy you build. Let me ask you this. 100 years from now, will anyone remember how much money you had? Or will they remember the way you made them feel? The lives you touched, the doors you opened for others? We remember Martin Luther King Jr. not for his salary, but for his vision and courage. We remember Mother Teresa not for her net worth, but for her compassion and service. We remember Steve Jobs not just for creating Apple, but for pushing humanity to think different. These people left legacies that outlived them. They turned ideas into movements. They turned lives into stories that matter. And the best part, you don't need to be famous to do the same. Every act of kindness, every choice to serve, every decision to speak up, mentor someone, donate time, or create something meaningful builds your legacy. Legacy isn't something you leave after you die. It's something you build while you live. 4. Finding your path to impact. You might be thinking, but where do I start? I'm just one person. That's the beauty of it. Every impact story starts small. Start by asking yourself, what breaks your heart? What fires you up? What skills do you have that can help others? Maybe you love writing. Use it to tell stories that matter. Maybe you're good at organizing. Join or start a local initiative. Maybe you've overcome something difficult. Share your journey to help someone else. And you're not alone. There are thousands of communities, organizations, and platforms waiting for people like you, people ready to create change. From volunteering and mentoring to launching socially responsible businesses or joining causes close to your heart, opportunities are everywhere. You don't need $1 million. You just need a little courage and the willingness to try. Even better, impact multiplies when we work together. One person planting a tree is great. 1,000 people planting trees is a forest. We don't need more billionaires. We need more builders of hope, progress, and compassion. 5. A life well lived. At the end of the day, success is not a number in your account. It's a feeling in your soul. It's knowing you used your time, energy, and talents to lift others. It's waking up with purpose and going to bed with peace. It's choosing meaning over materialism and service over status. You can still make money, you can still build wealth, but let it be a byproduct of your purpose, not the purpose itself. Because when you live with meaning, money follows you. But when you chase money without meaning, emptiness follows you. So redefine what success means to you. It's not about having more, it's about being more kind, more generous, more brave, more impactful. The most successful people I know aren't just rich in wealth, they're rich in character, contribution, and connection. And that, my friend, is a life well lived. So here's your challenge. Stop chasing money like it's the finish line. Start building something bigger than yourself. Because the world doesn't need another millionaire. It needs you at your highest potential, doing what only you can do. If this message spoke to your soul, don't keep it to yourself. Hit that like button, subscribe for more content that feeds your purpose, and leave a comment below answering this question. What kind of impact do you want to leave behind? Your voice matters, your journey matters, and together, we can change the world, one meaningful step at a time. See you in the next video.